Hi, welcome to TGN Tech YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Alright, so for today we'll be opening something new. Alright, to me, it's from TP-Link. It's the Wi-Fi 6 unit from TP-Link. As you've seen from the previous videos, we have also done some APs from TP-Link. This is the latest that I've got from them, which is, according to them, slightly smaller, which we can see from the packaging is slightly smaller. Right, so locally in Singapore, the warranty for the units for TP-Link are 3 years. Alright, so I'm going to stress that it's going to be for 3 years. So if there are any issues, you can just call them, or if you have any problems, you can go back to them. Alright, so that's the easy part. Alright, so for the hardware, for TP-Link, for the business portion of products, they actually call it under Omada. Alright, so this is their cloud management system, and similarly you can also install it on your PC with their software controller. It's totally free. The software is free. Okay, management of units are also free. Okay, hardware warranty, like I mentioned earlier, is 3 years. Right, so today we'll be opening the AX1800 unit. Alright, so this is Wi-Fi 6 AX1800. Right, so for the model number, as we can see here, it's called the EAP610. Alright, so let me stress again, it's EAP610. Right, so it has dual band, alright, AX Wi-Fi 6, and it has a single gigabit port, and everything else it's the same. Let's open up and take a look. I have not seen this before, and this is my first time opening it up, and I'm just curious to see what's inside. Alright, so let's do it. Right, so I'm going to cut it open gently. Okay, so now I strongly believe TP-Link is widely easily available for most, so it should be very easy for most to get the goods and also to purchase them. Right, so upon opening it, we can see that there are the quick user guide, alright, the brochure, GNU license, alright. So you have attached together a UK power cord. Alright, so this is 12 volt 1.5 ampere, right, and is certified for use with the safety mark in Singapore. Alright, so for Singapore, it's definitely all type approved. Okay, let me open up the unit itself. Over here, you will see here, this is the actual unit. Okay, right, touch and feel for the first time is good. Alright, I'm just going to lay it out here first. Okay, we're going to see what else you have. You have all the mounting screws and the bracket. Okay, so the metal bracket comes together with it. All the holes are pre-designated for you, so it's easy. Alright, so all you have to do, if you want to mount it on the ceiling or by the side of the wall, just use a pencil to mark it before you do the drilling, and you'll be fine. Also, at the same time, they actually provide all the wall screws and all the necessary screws for you. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual unit itself. It's pretty slim per se. Okay, it has all the ventilation holes. Okay, it has AC power, which is by power adapter, or it can be powered by PoE. Alright, it can't be both. Alright, you can only use either or. You can't do both at the same time. The reset button is by the side. Okay, so when you mount it up, I would assume that it's just to basically slide it in. Yep, okay, so you just basically slide it in. There's a catch and a lever here for you to attach it and basically secure it. So be very careful about that. Alright, other than that, I think it's pretty much very similar to all the rest of the other ceiling mount AP. Except this is this is Wi-Fi 6 1800. Alright, so in terms of speed wise, for the 5 GHz, it's going to be slightly faster than all the previous generations of Wi-Fi 5. Okay, so this is a very quick product review for the new EAP610 from TP-Link. Alright, so if you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave a remark. Okay, or write a comment. If you like the video, please remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.